So, what do you guys think we should do for our next popular plan? Do graffiti on the walls and make us look more cool? I don't know about that. Get expelled. Let's do that. Shake on it, shake on it. I don't want to get expelled though. Well, we're gonna have to get you expelled if you want to be in the popular group. Yep. Bye! Oh. Benny Boo, Oh, hi. Benny Boo, how could you leave me like that? That's not nice. You just left me alone standing there. Sorry, my dad had to take me someplace. Well, Benny Boo, next time, make sure you're not with your dad. But we're totally different personalities. That's why he took me away. You're all pretty pink, stylish, and I'm just dark black and mysterious. Benny Boo, don't think that. It doesn't matter what type of you are. It just matters if you love them or not. Never thought you could be that nice before. Well, sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's like the most populous girl ever. Why are you crying over that girl? What do you mean? She's like the most popular girl. Like, she's like a pop star. What do you mean a pop star? She's Maluga. She is Ariana Kabluna. Kanila. Oh. She's one of the famous singers. I can't. I'm gonna cry. She's actually here. How old is she? She's 16 like us. So everyone's like freaking out because like I'm Ariana Kabluna. Canelia. I don't know how to pronounce my own last name. So, like, I don't know what to do. Sing, sing, sing. Alright. Ooh, I got you in my arms and a secret. You break me, you make me out into a heartbroken person. It's not really my time. Sing Friends. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. It's 2 a.m, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? I said, don't mess it up, talking that. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, I say you crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. Well, okay, at least it was like that again. You're not better than Ariana Grande. I'm in the middle between her. She's like the top notch. I'm like in the middle from Selena Gomez and Ariana Grande. Oh! Okay, you can stop that now. Sorry about that. I know it's your first day of school, but you can handle this. Okay. Hello. Get out of my way. Okay. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. Be strong. And okay. She's like the rudest kid I ever met. Me too. She wants to steal my popularity. That will never happen. I know. Cool. Attention to students. There has been graffiti on the back of the school. Attention students. Whoever has done this, come clean. We'll find out soon. And you will be expelled. Let's go. Come clean. What? Ariana Cabelia. Oh, hello. Sing. No thanks. Not today. Oh, okay. Totally embarrassing. So, let's get on and come clean. We did the mess, sir. You are expelled. Yeah. Was that really your goal? No. Yeah, we got expelled. We got expelled. We got expelled. Yeah, we got expelled. We got expelled. Girls, head home now. At home. At home. Wasn't that fun, you guys? Yeah. Sort of. That was so much fun. We got expelled. My parents are going to be so mad, but I don't even care. I'm just so happy. I don't understand why you guys like to get expelled. I do, because it's fun. And it makes us look like bad B words. Why don't you say the actual word? Because my parents say I'm not allowed to until I'm 18. That would be a long time. We're 16. Yeah, but still a long time. Sure it will. Sure it will. Yeah, sure it will. It's only like, I don't know how many months. It's like, you're right, it will be a long time. I never should have thought of it. Yeah, me neither. You're turning 17 tomorrow. I know. You're getting old, lady. I know. In 3 days. And I'm already 17, so yeah. We'll be right back. Snuck into the lunch cafeteria. At the lunch cafeteria. Why does it look like a sink? Maybe they like to be stylish. It doesn't really make sense. How would they make it look like a sink? back at home. So I don't really like the cafeteria. Me neither. I'm gonna go to sleep. Me too. Me three. Guess I'll sleep here. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is my very first video, so the camera was shaky and all sorts of things. But please forgive me. This is my very first video I've ever made. So bye, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. I know you got the body of my girl.